How to update Grammarly app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to update Grammarly app easy and fast. So all what you have to do, of course, after you download your Grammarly, is go to about here and see your version right here down. As you can see, I have the version 1.9.24.1. Now if this was an old version, for example, all what you have to do to update it is by going to the Play Store and now search for Grammarly and click on it, and right here on this green option you will find update. All what you have to do is just click on it and it will be updated easy and fast. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end.